My name is Scott Evans, and I'm the president and CEO of Kenmore Envelope Company. We are a third-generation family business that supports the direct mail industry, and we started in about 1969. Since I've been here in the last 15 years, we've grown from 55 to 60 employees to 155. Even in my last 16 years, the progress has been like this rapid-fire speed. So it's all about the technology, data. So data is used today to really target individuals. So when a mailing goes out, it's really being targeted to go to that person and that demographic for a very specific reason. So the data has really helped driving ROI for our clients. The main reason was growth. We were growing quickly and we were running out of space. We jumped at this building really quickly when it came available at the RELOCATING. Strategic location right next to the airport is huge for us. So anytime clients come in, we're literally 5 minutes from the airport. White Oak Shopping Center has really developed, and that also gave our employees an opportunity when they leave for lunch, more options than what we just had here at Kenmore. And that helps us attract people. Yeah, this business park is really healthy, and being here in Henrico has been wonderful. And you can also notice right now in Henrico, all near this airport area, there's a lot of new buildings, a lot of spec buildings being built out. So you can see Henrico has been very aggressive about bringing businesses to Richmond, into the county. So it's an exciting place to be. COVID started where we didn't know if we were going to be able to stay open. Obviously, the first scare is, are we essential? Are we not essential? We found out really early on that our business was being essential, and that was mainly due to our relationship with the United States Postal Service. We actually had to do COVID mailings. And the main focus at that time was on the people here, and making sure that everybody had their job, everybody had all their hours, no layoffs, everybody got 40 hours a week. So we had to just be all over all the procedures, from temperature checks to hand washing stations to making sure every machine is cleaned, at the shift change, to wearing our masks and shields, checking in with all of our employees daily, how they're feeling. So we were very clear with what our expectations were and how we were doing this to keep everybody safe and healthy. And it's worked out really well for us. Early on, when I first saw the dip, I got real creative, and I reached out to our poly supplier, which is Multi-Plastics in Ohio. And I reached out to them to see if they had any 10 mil anti-fog material to make face shield. But I felt like we could cut it. They sent me sample sheets. We cut 10, 15 sheets at a time, multiple up, so we could make the mask no problem. So then we ordered it by the truckload. And we took a big risk. We wanted to help out our local community. We wanted to help out frontline heroes, but we wanted to do it at a massive scale. So I bought 2 truckloads of this material. We had to source the elastic, the foam bands. It became like a full-time new division of our company. The coolest thing is all of our people here, it gave us something to fight for. It gave us a new focus. It's been an amazing experience. We've moved over 150,000 face shields. We've donated thousands, and we've also sold them. And the way we looked at it is the more we could sell, then the more we could donate. And it's still ongoing. Kenmore Cares still exists today. You can order right from our website. We're still making donations. We've had a really healthy recovery. I expected that when direct mail would bounce back, it would bounce back fast. It actually bounced back fast, but it bounced back with more volume than I expected. July was our largest revenue month in company history. So August will be probably the second largest month in company history. We've added probably 10 employees during COVID through the Kenmore Cares and also through normal operations. We're currently hiring, we're looking for people. So we feel really lucky, but we also know that a lot of it came from hard work and doing the right thing. We've kind of just upped all of our protocols of keeping people safe. I can tell you that our employees, just like a lot of other people, are tired of wearing, the masks. They're tired of wearing the shields. But I just had to reiterate on every company update every week that, hey, we've stayed healthy and safe. We've got to continue to do this. You're wearing the mask of the person next to you. We're here to protect each other. So even though COVID's been this major stressor, I think in the long run, it's going to make us a much stronger company, and it's going to allow us to go to the next level in how we execute our business. So it's allowed us to 100% focus on our people and really get to know our people better, really become closer and stronger We also we put a big segment together on biases. We spent a lot of time meeting with a lot of our Black associates and understanding a lot of the struggles that have been going on in our country. We put small subgroups together to explore conversation, get to know each other. So I think overall, I think it's healthy for people to know that Kenmore is all about people, our culture, and our community.